Well, India and Sri Lanka have begun joint naval exercises at Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. The Sri Lankan naval ships Sayura and Sagara entered Visakhapatnam harbour on Thursday to participate in the 5th edition of the naval exercises. The bilateral exercise between India and Sri Lanka is called SLINEX. The two countries would undertake the extensive maritime exercise to reinforce the strong navally ties. The exercise is being conducted in two phases, with the harbour phase at Visakhapatnam for 3 days and then the sea phase for another 3 days in the Bay of Bengal. The SLINEX series of bilateral maritime exercises were initiated in 2005 and since then 3 successful engagements have been conducted.